Hello everyone, welcome back to our Know About PPC YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to set up remarketing in Google Ads using Google Tag Manager, and Google Analytics 4. In this video, I am covering a few key points to set up remarketing. First, how to install the Remarketing Tag Code on a website or GTM. Setting up remarketing audiences for different user segments. Also, import the created audience from GA4 to the audience list. You can combine all segments into one group if needed. Finally, retarget your audience list on Google campaigns. Alright. Let's get started. To install the Remarketing Tag Code on your website. You can install a Remarketing Tag Code either on the website or GTM. First, let's see how to install it on the website. To do that, go to Tool and Settings. Click Audience Manager. Click your data sources. Then, click Details on the Google Ads Tag section. Scroll down and click Tag Setup. Choose to install the Google Ads tag. Scroll down. Here you have the code. Copy this and paste it on your website pages inside the head tag. Note asterisk: you only need to install Google Tag Code on the website for both remarketing and conversion event snippets. If you are unaware of installing the code on the website, ask your developers help to place it on the website. Alright. Since I am using a WordPress website, I am placing the code on the WPCode snippet plugin. If you are using the same plugin, follow these instructions. Go to Code Snippets. Click the header and footer. Place the code on the header section. And click Save Changes. Alright. We have successfully installed the tag code on the website for remarketing. Another way to install the tag code for remarketing is to use the Google Tag Manager. Click Use Google Tag Manager. Open Google Tag Manager in a new tab. Go to Tags. Click New. Name the tag to Remarketing Google Ads. Click Tag Configuration. Click Google Ads. Click Google Ads Remarketing. Make sure the conversion linker tag is found in the container. If not, first add the container linker tag for all pages here. Now, let's add the conversion ID. Copy the conversion ID from Google Ads and paste it here. And scroll down. Click Triggering. And select Pages for updating all of your website pages. Click Save. Once you save, click Submit on the top left. And click Publish. Then, click Continue. To examine the code that is placed on all of the pages, click Preview on top. And place our URL on this field. And click Connect. It's connecting to Tag Assistant now. If you click here, you can see the tag was triggered successfully. Now, we are setting up the remarketing audiences for different user segments. Go to Segments. Click plus icon. Click Website Visitors. Name the audience. Let it be the visitors of web pages. Make website visits in the past 30 days or any days as you wish. Click Refine Action. I give my page URL here. If you want to add multiple page URLs, click the plus icon here. To expand or narrow down the audience, click or an ADD option here. If you exclude some users completely from this audience not to target, click the Exclude option here. Let's pre-fill your segment with people who have interacted with your business in the previous 30 days. Or you can start with an empty segment. Name the segment with some words in the description if needed. Click Create Segment. Another way to create an audience list is by importing through Google Analytics 4. Let's look at that. Make sure you have linked Google Ads with GA4 before importing an audience from Google Analytics 4. In the previous video, I have explained this process in detail. I will put the link at the top and the description below. Watch it before importing the audience through GA4. Let me explain briefly. You can link the account through either Google Analytics or Google Analytics account. To import through a Google Ads account, go to Tools and Settings. Click Linked Account. Click Details on GA4. Click this button over here. Select the Google Analytics property. Click Next. Let these options be as it is. Click the Link button. To import through Google Analytics 4, go to GA4 account. Go to Admin. Click Google Ads Links. Click the Link button. Select Google Ads account. Choose the ID of the Google Ads account. Click Confirm. Either two-way. You can link these accounts. Now, you have successfully linked both Google Ads and GA4 accounts. Also, ensure that you have created an audience on GA4 in the audience section. I covered this in the previous How to create an audience in GA4 video. I will put the link at the top and the description below. Watch it before importing the audience through GA4. Now, go to your Google Ads account. Go to Tools and Settings. Click Audience Manager. You can see the list of audiences from GA4. Then, you can use these combined segments. If you want to combine the segments that you created through your different data sources, click the plus icon here and combine those by adding multiple custom segments, demographics, affinity, in-market audiences, etc. Also, you have the option to narrow down the audience by excluding the custom audiences or topics and interests. Let's retarget our audience list on Google Campaigns. Click Campaigns. Click plus icon. Click New Campaign. Any option that you can choose based on your goals. I choose Brand Awareness now. I am creating a display campaign type now. So choose the display type. Place your website URL. And name the campaign. Click Continue. Fill out all campaign settings. Now, go to Targeting. Click Add Targeting. Click the audience segment icon. Click Browse. You can see the types of audience segments that you have created now. Choose these audience lists for your remarketing. And click Done. In the upcoming video, I will explain in detail how to create a display campaign in Google Ads with audience targeting. Finally, we have successfully set up remarketing in Google Ads. Also, for your information, Google has announced the new design and make it easier way to find the features. If you want to use either new or old design, go to Appearance. Switch based on your design. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.